What's up guys, I'm Shooting Dave, so good to see your faces. Today we're going to be creating the swipe effect inside Instagram using Photoshop, and I'm going to show you the exact process on just taking one image and making 3 images to get that swipeable Instagram post. So let's jump straight into it. Okay, so you've got your photo open up inside Photoshop. Now the first thing I want to do here is make sure that my master image, which is this image here, is in the image aspect ratio of 3:2. So either press C on your keyboard or click the crop icon up on the toolbar here, and then come up to the top and make sure that it shows 3:2. Once you're satisfied with that, we can then move on. So the first step of making this a swipeable image, this is going to be the master one, so it's all about the next 2 photos that swipe across when you view them on Instagram. So the first bit, set this to 6:2. This gives us a long letterbox effect, and you might want to readjust the crop slightly so that the car sits nice in the center. Now it may not be a car, it may be a person, a landscape or whatever, but I'm just making sure the car is nice and centered inside the frame. Hit enter on your keyboard to commit that, and then the next bit we're going to start making this into a swipeable image. So change the image aspect ratio back to 3:2, snap this to the to the left of the frame so that it divides the image up in half. You'll note that 3:2 is half as wide as 6:2. Hit enter on your keyboard. I'm going to save this one out as Rothman's image 1 out of 1. Hit save. Yes, I want to replace that. Okay, and then we're going to do an undo, and then we're basically just going to crop the other side. Hit enter, and now save this one out as 2. This way we will end up with 3 images, and that will allow us to swipe. So if we navigate to where they are, you've got your first one here, which is your master image, then you've got the first crop, and then you've got the second crop. And then all you do is simply upload those up on Instagram, and then you have a swipeable image. See, I told you it was straightforward. Now you can post those swipeable images up on Instagram. I hope you guys found this video useful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and all those other things that Instagrammers and YouTubers tell us to do. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.